In this lecture, we'll look into how to create a pivot chart. So first thing, I'm going to click on anywhere inside the chart. Then I go over to the Insert tab, move over to the pivot chart. Click on the pivot chart. Here are different types of chart to choose. Columns, line, pie, and so on. I'm going to choose the cluster column. Double click. The chart right now, it looks small. So I'm going over to the corner here and stretch it out, make it bigger. So here is the legend. Here's each of these bars represent a state. The US state, there are 3 states, so there are 3 columns. To change the legend, to position it down here, up here, or to the left, or wherever, you go over to the plus sign over here, click on the legend, and then move over to the right arrow. You can position it to the bottom or to the right. That's where it is now. I'm going to leave it. You can add the title. Click on Axis Title. This is the Axis Title over here. If I don't want, I uncheck it. I can insert the title. See chart title here. Then over here, double click and then enter the name. If you don't want the title, uncheck it. Over here, you have the data labels. The data labels, the numbers sit on top of the bar chart. It's kind of hard to see. So I'm going to change it. I'm going to go over here, uncheck it, and click on Data Table. Now this is easier to look at. Then you can go over to the top over Pivot Chart Analyze here. And you go over to chart name. You can change the name. It's like right now it says chart 13. You can enter in here any name. Then move over here, insert the slicer. This is a pretty cool feature. I'm going to click on it. Here, you can select, let's say I'm click on the years. Okay. Slicer is like a filter. Now I get a number of years. I can go up over here, move over to the columns. I can increase the number of columns. So right now there are 2 columns. So say I want to display only 2023. I click on that. Only 2023 displays. Now I'm going to go over here. It says the filter with an X. I clear the filter. Now it goes back to normal. Over here, the years order. Then you click over here and select, just like you can do over in the filter. Furthermore, when you click back on the pivot chart, you can also insert a timeline. So I'm click on the timeline and click on, let's say, the ordered. So click on that. Now it show me the order date. So here you can go by the months or by the year. Let's say I go by the years. I click on the year, and 2023, it only shows 2023. Give it a try. See you in the next lecture.